What if your ERP actually understood your manufacturing business? Not just gave you reports, but ran your operations, simplified compliance, and adapted to your way of working. Too many businesses are stuck with rigid, overpriced ERP systems or outdated software that barely keeps up. You deserve better. That's where we come in. We are Logix Infotech LLP, based in Noida, building custom ERP solutions for manufacturers since 2001. We don't just deliver software, we solve real operational problems for pharmaceutical, cosmetics, food and beverage, plastic, packaging, and other process-driven industries. Our flagship product, Finaman ERP, is built specifically for manufacturers. It's fully customizable and fully integrated, with all the depth of an enterprise-grade system, minus the high cost, complexity, and frustration. Designed to fit your workflow, not change it, with modules that cover your entire business lifecycle, production and planning, inventory and store management, quality control and quality assurance, purchase and sales, artwork and packaging, HR, payroll and job work, GST-Compliant accounting, subcontracting and logistics, built-in, QMS, deviation, CAPA, change control, audits, and much more, all in one system. We spoke to manufacturers already using ERP systems, and their frustrations were clear. It doesn't handle formulations. Support is slow. Implementation took forever. That's why we built Finaman ERP, to be faster, smarter, and designed for the way manufacturers actually work. Here's what sets Finaman apart. Formulation-focused for pharma and cosmetics. Batch packing across multiple brands. BMR, GMP, and 21 CFR compliance built-in. Batch-wise profitability and yield analysis. Barcode and QR tracking from raw material to dispatch. Auto alerts via WhatsApp and email. Custom workflows, vendor and PO locking. GSTR filing with Tally integration, all in one place. Unlike most ERP providers, we move fast. Our implementation is streamlined, handled by experts. And once you're live, we offer personalized department-wise training. No one gets left behind, and our support. That's what clients love the most. No tickets lost, no endless waits, just real answers from people who understand your business. Whether you're starting your ERP journey or upgrading from one that's holding you back, Finaman ERP gives you one intelligent system to run your entire business. Custom built for your industry. Fully integrated and compliant. Fast to deploy. Easy to train. Designed for growth. Schedule your free demo today and let's transform the way you work. Visit logixinfotech.in or call us on 9811110190.